All right, hello, good morning, good evening, and good night. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic as always. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about quarterly dividends, such as IEP, which pay on the quarterly, versus monthly dividends, such as USOI, which pay on, you guessed it, the monthly. So what we're going to do in this video today is I have my compound interest calculator out, and we're going to compare the returns of quarterly versus monthly paying dividend stocks. What I also want to show you is how you don't necessarily have to invest in monthly dividend stocks in order to receive a dividend every single month. And I'm going to show you a little reasoning why I prefer monthly dividend stocks over quarterly dividend stocks. Just a little tidbit for the future. But before we get into that, what I do want to say is we crossed the 1,700 subscriber barrier mark. Awesome job, guys. We are up to 1,709 subscribers. Just crossed over that last night. Our last video was 6 out of 10, but still getting 1.3k views, 1,300 views. That is fantastic, and over 100 likes. That is awesome. Thank you to everyone who likes. I always appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So what I want to show you is IEP. I'm not going to go into a real dive into what they do. This is the iChan Enterprise LP common stock under the ticker symbol IEP. And so what I'm going to do is I'm not going to talk about their business, but nonetheless, their dividends. So they pay a 50% dividend, and they do pay it quarterly, so not monthly. As you can see, their distributions, they only pay $4 every single year. They pay $8 in a total dividend, and their current stock price is about $33. So with the 25% dividend yield, we are going to compare that to a monthly paying stock called USOI. USOI is a company I actually covered on this channel quite a few times. I do have a couple videos on USOI if you do want to check that out after this one. They pay an annual dividend about $14.14, but it is really subject to change. If you look at their payouts, they do go up and down as they are in the oil sector, and they rise and fall with the price of oil and just in terms of oil's volatility and supply and demand. But what we're going to do is we're going to compare quarterly versus monthly dividends with this compound interest calculator. So what I like to do, I don't know about you guys, but I like big numbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with an initial investment of about $10,000 and a monthly contribution of about $500. Now, in terms of the length of time, we'll put in 25 years so we can see some results. An estimated interest rate, since these stocks are both well into the 15-20%, I'm just going to use 15% as a little like interest rate right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to have this compound frequency at quarterly. So as you can tell, over 25 years, investing $10,000 at the start, $500 every single month for 25 years at 15% interest rate. After 25 years, you'll have $1.945 million. Now, if we were to take this and put it to monthly, we would just cross over that $2 million mark. So as you could tell, investing in monthly paying dividend stocks might give you a little bit better of a return than quarterly paying dividend stocks. And to really emphasize this point, what I want to do is let's bump up the numbers like crazy. Let's go 2,000 every single month for 40 years. Let's just go absolutely crazy at a 20% interest rate. And we're going to calculate this monthly. So look at this. After 40 years, we're going to have 362 million. And let's see what we would have in quarterly. It should be just a touch less. Oh, wow. It is not a touch less. So 319 million versus our 362 million. So with that really exaggerated example, you could see the difference between monthly paying and quarterly paying dividend stocks. If they do pay the same dividend, you're just able to reinvest your dividends faster and earn a little bit more of a yield. What I was actually going to do in this video, I plan to, because JEPI is a monthly paying dividend stock, but look at JEPI's yield, 6.32%. This was a stock yielding at one point 11, 12, 13% with, it's 57 cent and 61 cent dividends being paid out. But now it's dropped so much. And this 6.32% yield is almost like pathetic in terms of what JEPI does, because JEPI doesn't really provide much capital appreciation. All it provides is really that dividend. And we're going to exit that because that is just crazy that JEPI has dropped to such a low yield. But on another note, what I'm going to say is you can create your own monthly dividends, for example, without using a monthly dividend. Because I know it can be hard. Let's say you're a long-term investor and you see monthly dividends paying 17%, and you might think it's a little unsafe or a little risky for yourself, what you could do is find stocks such as Coca-Cola or even the Home Depot. And what you could do with these companies is you could look at the ex-dividend dates and the payment dates of each stock. For example, in November and March, June, let's say November, Coca-Cola pays in November, and you can look at Home Depot and say, look, it actually pays in December. And this is how you could create your own monthly dividend stocks by taking 3 quarterly paying stocks and just finding the ones that pay on different months and creating your own monthly dividend like that, if you're looking for the safe route, of course. Now that we talked about the difference in the yield and the different kind of returns you can get and how monthly dividends will pay you a bit faster, how you can create your own monthly dividends, what I want to show you guys is why I choose to invest in monthly dividends. And the real reason is because I can see results on a monthly and even sometimes a weekly basis. When I'm investing in monthly dividend stocks, you could see, sure, AT&T is a quarterly paying dividend stock, but one like TSLY, ADC, and this one right here, EPR, STAG, these are all monthly paying dividend stocks. Energy Transfer is a quarterly paying stock, but USOI, another monthly paying dividend stock, and so is KLIP. As you can tell, I have 6 I have 6 monthly paying dividend stocks, and the reason I have that is because it motivates me seeing dividends come in every single month and growing potentially every single month. Right now, I'm just kind of investing into TSLY and KLIP, so those are the two that are really growing. But every single month, this average monthly income grows, and it's because I'm able to reinvest my dividends as fast as possible with the monthly dividends that I do receive. And that's really what motivates me to invest. Comment below what really motivates you guys to invest, or if it is the monthly dividends, because with monthly dividends, you could just pull your money in so much faster, and every single month you're going to get this $122, for example, in cash in your pocket, which you could then find new stocks like USOI, or you could find new stocks like IEP with 25% yields, and then you can then reinvest and find the best deals every single month. So this was just a little quick video just discussing monthly dividends versus quarterly dividends, and just kind of hoping to motivate you guys to invest in some monthly dividends or create your own, and just, keep investing in general. That's, the purpose of this channel, and to collect those massive dividends and grow those dividends at these amazing high yields such as 50 and even 75%. But I hope you guys did actually enjoy this video. If you did, please do give this video a like and also subscribe, as we are a growing page on YouTube. We have over 832 subscribers in the last 28 days. We're doing fantastic. I can't ask anything more from you guys. So with that, I want to say I hope you guys have a great day. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video.